Happy New Year to everybody that stayed along. I know I haven't really been consistent on my channel, but I'm just trying to be myself and also to show you guys that nobody's perfect. First, I want to show you how my day went. As you can see on my charts, I missed a trade. This was a sell trade. I missed 8%. I would have been risking 1%. Now let me show you the trades I took today. I started trading this account last week, I think. Oh no, last 2 weeks. And this is this history so far. The first trade I took on the account was just a test. I was testing to see what was going on, but I got out. Then I took the trade again on the next day, 27th, as you can see from here, and I made 30%, risking 1%. The next trade I took was actually a loss, which was last week. I think last week, 29th, I believe that was Friday, and that was also a loss. Today we made a loss, and that particular loss is still what we made. That's the only loss I made today. I'm saying we because I'm trading with my trading partner, so I keep on saying we and everything like that. So we've been trading together for a long time, and this account, we just bought it recently. We're like, this is a new year, so we don't really want to, come into this year and so we started everything from fresh. We're going to see how the year goes. So far we had 2 losses for the year, and actually I lost an account before the year and before the beginning of the year. Actually I lost an account, but I'm not really paying because it is what it is. So let me show you the history of where I lost that particular trade. Let's go to settings, show trade history. Yeah, so this was where we lost the trade. As you can see, our entry and stop loss is very small. This was a 5 pip stop loss. You can see how price went. It went all the way up, then it started squeezing down. Now we made a mistake, or kind of like we didn't follow our plan of how we're supposed to identify the market. I think I woke up, sleep was in my eyes, so that's a lesson. I will not trade when I'm feeling sleepy ever again. I wouldn't do it because I woke up, I didn't really check the chart that much. I was like, no, this trade is going to go my way, and I just went straight into taking the trade, which really isn't my thing. I haven't done this before. This is my first time, and this will also be my last, and that made us to also make a loss. So you also see a fair value gap down there, which is around the daily time frame where price tapped into. As you can see, this is the three trades. You can see the first one is here. That was this particular one here. This is the second one, and this is the third one, and this is the fourth. So more like this is the first, second, and third, and this second one is the one we had last week, I think. So that was last week Thursday, and this is the trade we had today that we had that loss. So usually we are supposed to identify something really important right here. Look, when you are trading and you don't actually look at some of these things, you would think that it is not really important. Candlestick formations is very important. How the candlestick close, did it close above the wick or below the wick? So this is what we're supposed to look at. I wouldn't want to go into much details because something is still under development, and we are still trying to make sure that everything is in control. So that was why we had that loss. But if not for that loss, we would have passed our account with 1 trade, basically, or 2 trades maybe, because we target 4%, and 2 trades would be like, this trade that we missed. If it had triggered, we would have probably gotten out or maybe break even because we let price move, put us at a break even. Our maximum stop loss is somewhere 15 pips, but we can go as low as 30%, which is really phenomenal. I think back in the day, that was 2020, 2021, that was when we used to have this kind of entries. Today, most people don't really have it. And I don't know, I think a few people I know also has it, but it's not that popular again. I think people need to bring back small stop losses because it is really amazing. You enter the trade and within a few moments, you're actually out of the trade. So this trade is already in profit, and I'm going to put SL at break even right now. Right there. Because the 1 hour is closed, and I don't want price to come and take me. We're already into 1 into 2. As you can see, okay, price has started reversing, kind of like the 1 hour is giving us a pullback. So yeah, we just have to wait. This is now 11. The way I trade is really special. So I think yeah, if it takes me out, it takes me out. If I'm inside the trade, I'm inside the trade. So good. So no, what's the name? Yeah, so past 2. Looks like it doesn't make sense. Let me go to the lower time frame to see if I can be able to reduce maybe increase the what do you call it, the break-even money a little bit so that my it doesn't drop into the commission doesn't drop into my already this stuff. I don't know if you get what I mean. Let me put it around here. I think 7. The minimum commission I got for the past few trades I had is actually $5. So I'm not sure. Just a bit. Yeah, it's actually $5, and I don't know how that will be for this one. As you can see from my trade history, this one right here, the commission, okay, it's $4. The commission is here. Maybe not press. The commission is here. You can see the commission is -4, and this one was a -2. As you can see from here, this one was a -0.9. I don't know why. I think it's being calculated based on the lot size. So since I'm not going to be teaching, so I'm just going to use this. So you can see where my entry was taken. As you can see from here, this is where the trade is on right now. That is just what I have for today. Price actually reached 1:2 before going back down like this. Initially, at first, 1:2 was okay for me for the day, but I mean, why target 1:2 when you can get 1:4? I decided to, up my game, The trade finally hits my break even. Oh god, so I'm not making noise outside. Boy, my room is by the road, so it's just always kind of busy during the daytime. But yeah, so we were able to put our trade at break even after the close. I don't know why I want to divulge some details. It doesn't really matter to you guys right now. So I got out at BE, and let me show you. So I think I will put maybe the screenshot around somewhere here for you guys to see where the trade hit us at. I'm supposed to do some work. I am a video editor as well, and I'm literally supposed to do some scripting for my clients. I'm trying to see, I'm just trying to see what I can do to make as much money from video editing as much as I can.
Sat on my desk for a while before coming back to take a nap because nothing from all my chats after I finished what I was supposed to do. So, but yeah, they just took off my lights. I want to go out and grab some roll on. My show kind of finished, so I have to go get it. I haven't released that. I've been out for a while, so it's good I go get it. It's 11 already, but there is no trade today. So, and today is also Wednesday, but there's no trade for me. I just have to relax, you know. I had a reversal trade, but it is not ready for how I want to take it, so I'm just going to leave it. I'm also looking for the. I'm looking for. This is what I'm seeing right there. My screen. Yeah, let me share it.
Oh, we should wait for the 1 hour to confirm.
We're not going to take it right now. We're going to wait for price to break. Just like we've been taking it. It's the same thing. Nothing is going to change. Okay, so we are looking. This is what I'm looking at. Price should break, then come back. That's happened to the table graph. So we are going to wait for price to break and tap in back in trade. Like always, yes.
How has your day been?
I've just been trying to, at least I don't know. I'm just.
Right, Charlie, since we are in, let's relax ourselves. Since we are in, let's relax ourselves.
My trade got triggered and actually it went into 4% profits. Sorry, the move was 4%, but I we personally took our profits in 30%, and the reason was simple. That was because we have a rule whereby if we take the trade late, especially around 3, volatility by then is dying down, so we don't want to be caught in the wrong side of the market whereby price starts to consolidate and gets us in. We want impulsive moves, we don't want consolidating moves. So we made that decision and we closed. Even though price reached our 4% mark.
Let me see if we are going to take reversal. Let me see how. Oh, the put will be too much. We are around 20 pips, 12 pips, 30 pips.
We wait for our continuation setup.
We wait for our continuation setup. The pip is too much. 30 pips is too much.
Yeah, no, it's too much for us.
It's too much. Oh god, it's too much. So let's just wait and see what happens.
So if we don't get trade before 12:30, I don't know that it's just gonna take over.
Yeah.
And then
So
according to what I read, it means it's within, as you said yesterday, it's within before 5 minutes before the news.
and 5 minutes after the news, yes.
It's a very good day for me and my colleague. Actually, we missed one trade and we ignored one out of discipline. All right, and the first one we ignored was a reversal trade, which ended up playing actually up to the percentage we actually expected. We made a decision not to be trading reversals on the 5 minutes, but this one was a typical like 1 hour to 5 minutes reversal, which we just ignored and followed our trading plan, which was to trade I was about to say psychological levels because that's one of the strategies I've traded before, which was to trade continuation trades. So the continuation trade that we also got, we hesitated. So yeah, this GBD did well like this. Let's go back to time and see what let's look at the impulsive candles of the daily. Okay, it's not that much. So you know what? Let me see something. USD CHF to the same thing, similar, but it has some little good months. Yeah, some little good days, as you can see.
Measure on the 1 hour and then reversal on the
Okay.
on the 5 minutes. I want to use that one for my rally account.
Yeah. When we have accounts that we can risk as much as we want, that's what we will be doing. We will add other entry types later because that's what is going to maybe show us.
Yeah, this will be mainly for.
As time goes on, we will likely have confidence to take any other trade we want.
Yeah.
So if we build confidence in other entries as well, as we are testing the strategy, then whether be it the problem accounts or real accounts, now they won't test it on any other account. Like what I'm trying to say is that we won't test it in the prop firms we are trading currently. We are only going to take the confirmation entries, but the 1 hour reversal will not be taking it. We'll only be taking 1 hour continuation, which is 5 minutes reversal.